Hey, welcome back to Shopping with Cheryl. Yes, we are going to build. These are by GREENDEW, and it is a floating shelf, 5-tiered floating shelf. And I thought you might want to come in and build it with me. We know how my builds normally go. Sometimes good, sometimes not. Usually I make at least a couple mistakes. I hope these are fairly easy. They are packed in here. All they are a bunch of squares, I think. Let me get it out. Here we go. Da, 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 da. I think I can get them out. All right. Oh, the cats are so excited. I got another box. All right. So they all come packaged. You've got square pieces, and then the bottom of the shelf is going to be a rounded. So we'll have some of those too. They're all in here, I hope. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. And it looks like 5 rounded. Yeah, I better shut this. This is my new knife that I got sent. I really like it. It's really nice and sharp. Yeah. Since they sent it to me, I have been... Now, these shelves, they were bought a long time ago and just not put together. So, we've got these. We've got these and these. All right, now I'm going to tell you right now, they are labeled with different letters. I'm guessing that's going to, these are all the, oh, nope. These roundish ones are labeled B, so they must not all be the same. Let me double check. These two are labeled A. I don't know the difference. Oh, it depends on which side they go on. Then you have a C, a D, and another D, an E, and a C. I'm going to put the 2 C's, the 2 E's, and the 2 D's together. Just for me. I should have 20 screws, 4 locks, and 4 long screws. So, let me see here. I hope I didn't grab, I don't think I grabbed my Phillips. I may have to go and grab it. We'll see. So I'm going to pour these out and kind of see what I've got. All right. Now we've got 2 different sizes of screws here. They're basically the same Phillips head, but they're a little bit different. Then we've got 4 of these. All right, so let me kind of sort these so that I know what I'm doing. I should just have 4 of the super longs. I'll double check so I don't screw that part up. Nope. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to set these 4 in the bag because that's what the cats will go after. Whatever I need, I'm sure they will be coming after. And I'm going to look in my box, my drill box. I do have my Snap Fresh. There'll be a link for this in the description below. If you use my link and make a purchase, I may make a commission. This is my favorite little hand drill, lightweight, cordless. Comes with a bunch of bits. It also comes with the flex tool, and it has an extension. Oh, I've got the extension on it. Duh. I like it. It is lightweight, but it does just as well as my other big name drill that is very, very heavy. I'll have a link for the shelves too. All right, step number 1, I'm going to take a C, a B, and a D. C, B, and here's my D. And I'm going to look at these. Let me see. You've got one side, 2 sides that are finished and 2 sides that are not finished. So I know I want a not finished side to go on this. And I'm going to set it down. I don't know. I think it's going to go like this. And then a D. The D only have 1 finished side, 3 unfinished. And the D is going to go underneath it. All right. So let's get these C's attached. Oh, here's the side with the hole. Now look at the B's. The B's have, okay, one thing I'm going to tell you, when you look at these, certain holes have more of a mark around them, and that's going to be the side you screw into. I've got cat hair, I do believe, so that they fit down in there, okay? Then the other 2 holes on this side are not, so that means that my screws will come up from the other side where the extra piece is. That's one way to know if you are kind of doing it right. So it looks like this is going to go here, and then my E is going to go on the bottom. Okay. Make sure, I'm trying to figure out where my finished sides will be. So this is, I think, I want my finished sides though. Turn it around. So my finished sides are going to go to the rounded edge like this. So I've got a finished side on top and a finished side coming out, because that is what is going to show, I do believe. And it's got the hole in the center, which is probably to screw into the wall. So I'm going to have my big hole there. All right. Those are just things that I needed to check out to make sure what I was doing and that I had it going right. They've got tiny holes, but you will probably need a drill for this, because A, it doesn't come with the tool, and B, these holes are tiny. So they aren't made to easily drill into. I'm going to grab this and get it done. Yeah, you're not going to want to do that with a hand screwdriver. You're going to want a drill. That's pretty definite. Okay, let me see if I can see my hole down here. I think that's it. I'm going to get those right in. Because yep, I'm in the hole. Try to line it up. so that it's going straight. And put that there we go. First part right there. Now we're going to take a D, and this is going to go to the wall, I do believe. And you're going to want to watch your finished side again and put it going out so that the part that's against the wall has the raw sides, the part facing out has the good sides. And I'm going to get these both in here and find their holes. I mean, you might be able to do this with a hand screwdriver, but I am not sure. I wouldn't. Let me get this lined up. Get these in a little bit so I can and we'll move this. And there is the beginning of our shelf. Our C, our B, and our D, all the finished sides are going to show. This side is going to go to the corner of your wall. So now that we have that one, then I'm going to do, it looks like a B and an E under it. I probably should have changed my glasses. Because to attach to this, yes. Don't you love that? I can't see. All right. Yeah, next I'm going to do, no. Next I'm going to do an A to an E and then a B to an E. And these are my E's. The text is really small, so all right. Then I have my A, and I'm going to attach, it looks like an E under it. The E's have one finished side, so I want that coming out this way. Yes. And I want my hole with my open so I can put that screw down in it. We'll see the big open hole here. We're going to get these going. I told my friend, oh yeah, I can put those together for you. Psh. Let's just hope we do it right. She'll be like, excuse me? That's not right. Then we'll have to call for help. All right, let me see here. We're going to put these two in, and like I said, the round piece is the A. The square piece is the E. Watch your sides, your finished sides. Also watch those extended holes where they're out a little bit more around them. Those are the ones that the screw goes into. All right, so this is an A and E, and then it looks like I need new glasses. That looks like a B to E. Okay, here is my B. And I should attach it over here. This is my E. I'm going to find my finished side. And I have my big hole. Going to go in towards this. Like this. So there's my bigger hole that I'm going to drill into the wall. Now, because it looks like it goes on this, did I, wait. Yeah, I put that one on the right side. Wanted to double check now. I'm like, oh no. It's just kind of watching holes and thinking. And I'm really surprised I have a cat climbing on things they're not supposed to, because they said, yes, Auntie is busy. They're gonna see if they can't get into everything. All right. All right. In E, B and E. Ta-da! We're getting there. Maybe. Yeah, slowly. And then I need an A to D. That doesn't make sense, because that's not what that can be. Oh yeah, I got a D. I guess it can. I'm going to do an A to D and a B to C. All right. So I got a daggone splinter. How did I do that? So we're going to take our last A. I think I just hit my mic, sorry. This is the direction it goes. The D, watch my sides again because I only have one good panel. It looks like it will go this way since this corner goes to the corner. I want my good side facing out. Make sure my A board is correct with how the holes are. All right, there's one. Let's get that other one kind of lined up. There we go. As I drop it, let me see. Now I think I'm almost there. Kind of feeling to see if they're about right. Make it sure. All right. And now I just have one more piece, and that is the B to C. C has good sides. It's going to probably be a bottom. So I'm going to put the good side here and here. And then I'm going to put my, so my good sides are out this way and on the bottom. I don't know how well you can see. I don't even know if how well you can figure out what I'm saying, but I'm trying to explain it the best I can so that you can get these right. And I mean, there's instructions and I'm sure you can follow them, but sometimes it's hard to follow, or if you've bought it from, maybe you bought it secondhand, or it just didn't come with instructions and you're like, psh. All right, so this is my B and C, and I know this is a bottom one. This is a top one because of the finished double sides. All right, now that we have all of our pieces assembled, we've got to start putting them together. So I need the E to A, I believe. I'm going to take E to A or E to B. There again, can't see. I need E to A here, E to B. I think, yes. No, it's got me doing this. Okay, let me relook at this. E to A, one of the last pieces we built, E to A, is going to go with the one that has the top. So this is our very first piece we built. And this bottom one is a D. It's going to join our A. Like this. Okay, now we can see it coming together. What do you think there, bud? Can you see it? Let me clear these other pieces so we can start looking at how this is. Okay. So that's what we're going to start with. And I'm going to try to get these kind of lined up and at least a little bit started so that I know I'm in the hole and not way off. Okay. I've got them started, just finger tightened up. And I'm going to get this one. Oops, he's crooked. Let me pull him to me. There. I'm going to turn this. They're eating the boxes. Oops. If you've got cats, you probably fully understand. One. I probably should have got out my extension for that. There we go. So this is C, B, D, A, E. Holy smokes. All right. Next, we are going to attach the B and E, I think. B and E. I think that's what it says. Okay. So this is going to be my B and E to my bigger one here. All right. Keep moving this. I know you can't see it as well, but I'm gonna try. Well, girl, you eat the box. Your brother's eating one box. You're gonna eat the other one. I thoroughly enjoy them helping. Makes trash day much easier. And then I'm going to make sure this is straight and in. I need that tighter. I just can't get a good angle on that. Huh. You've got cats. Let me know. How much help are they? Really? I know. They think they're helping. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work very well. It's wanting to skip because that is... There we go. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, it wants to skip too much. I think I got it though, yeah. I'll tighten that up with the other one. Didn't work as well as I wanted it to, but that's what happens, trial and error. I seem to do that a lot. I am not Bob the Builder. I'm the Cheryl We Will Try. Boy. Good. All right, now we've got just 2 pieces left. Let's figure out the next one because this was B to E. And now I'm going to do A to D. And you can see how it's coming along. All right. Find my hole. And is this one going to go in the hole? I believe so. There. Now this last piece, I bet I can figure out all on my own. This is my B to C. So I say, oh, I can figure it out on my own, then I have it backwards. Yeah. And yeah, this is gonna, oh, I didn't get that tight. This is gonna be a floating shelf for the corner. That's still not tight. There. How you like me now? All right. I'm looking to make sure the other ones look tight. And the last piece, we are going to have, oh, I got to flip it around. And we will go this way. And then I'll get out my measuring tape so we can get a full measurement on how long this is. Like I said, I'll have an affiliate link in the description below, and for the shelves and for my drill. I really do love that drill. That it's snap fresh and it's like the best thing ever. Because I was using a heavy drill. An old heavy drill. It worked, but boy was it heavy. And I had been posting about it, and Snap Fresh said, try one of ours. It's okay. And here we are. My favorite drill. All right. So I'm going to have to get, I don't have my tape measure with me. I'm going to go grab it. But there you go. And this will hang in the corner. I've got to tighten up a few more of these. I see that I didn't quite get good enough. Not a problem. Just double check to make sure they're all tight. It's a little harder to get in here once they're together, but they only need a little snugness there. All right, did I get them all? I think I have them all good and snug now. Yeah, so tighten them up before you get it together. Like I said, a couple of little turns doesn't matter. But, and there you go. Now, it will go in the corner like this, and you'll have of your tiers you can put things on. Let me go grab my tape measure, and we'll get some exact measurements for you so you know before you buy it if it's going to fit in the area you want. Now, these 4 long screws are to attach it to the wall. That'll be easy to do. So, let's measure it. Oh, Jesus Christ. All right, so I went and grabbed the tape measure, and we're going to get a measurement. It is 49 inches, so it's going to be 49 inches in your corner there. And as far as each of these blocks, let's see, they are about 8 inches, 7 3/4 inches wide. Your shelf is going to be approximately about same 7 3/4 for your shelf. It is the rounded shelf. There you go. And now I will use these to put it into the wall. So there you go. We did it. Now, she bought a few of these. So I'm going to go get busy building these. And that way they can get put up in a little bit. So we will see you in the next video. Be sure to check those out. A nice way to put your little trinkets or small plants, things like that. They're just cute little shelves. Take up space. Hang them up, and there you go. So yes, see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button. Also, there's a link to follow me on Amazon Live in the description. Hope that you will also do that. And yeah, the next set I will probably be able to do faster because I actually have an example now. So there you go. Have a good day. So go check it out. It's a great way to have your things displayed without taking up a bunch of floor space.